Hello ladies, hello gentlemen. I'm here, I'm Catalina. I have just finished working with my preparatory grade, clasa pregătitoare, and I'm getting ready for my next class. I'm offering you 2 minutes of tips and tricks. That's all I can offer today because I have a busy day. Online work. Tips and tricks. Number 1, wear clothes. Nice clothes. Feel good with what you're wearing, because this will be sent to your kids. They will see that something's good about you. They would like to talk to you. Number 2, smile. Do your best. Entertain if you can. Begin with beautiful things and a nice tone of voice. Don't be sleepy, okay? Rules. Have rules. And make sure people follow them. Otherwise, it's gonna be a mess. Don't. Number 5 comes after number 4. Number 4, use mother tongue whenever you feel like doing that, because it's humanizing you. Let's imagine I have a kid and he came to my class 5 minutes late. It is possible for me to say, "Hello, my friend, welcome. Please make sure you don't come late next time." But I can also say, "Ionel, mama dragă, bună dimineața, ce mă bucur că te-ai trezit. No, data care vine, te rog foarte frumos, teacher, să faci bine să vii la vreme." Okay? And this makes sure that you show a real person in front of your kids. I mean, it's a screen. You need to be real, otherwise they will just say, "What's that?" You vary the pace in your lessons. You begin with something that takes peace and quiet from your beautiful heart, and then you do something that needs you as a military person in there. Oh, quickly, we're doing this now. Everybody focus. Keep your mind fresh. Don't worry about things that could have been better. Tomorrow, maybe another time, with dear God giving it to us. Thank you. Lots of love. Bye.